at night. We have a flight that leaves at 5:30 in the morning, and we're still packing, both of us. Okay, it's almost 11, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack my makeup, and I should be pretty much done. This is what I use for my eyebrows. Okay, here's everything I have. This is everything I'm bringing. Starting over here, love this thing. Got it on Amazon. It has different light settings. It's really good for travel. What is it? Divine Neutrals palette. I really wish I had like a quad, something smaller that I can just bring, but I don't. Here I have some lip liners and lippies. If you want a red lip that will last all night and with food that will last forever, these are great by Maybelline. Alrighty, this is a color corrector. Mascaras, they have to be waterproof because I have really bad allergies. Eyeliner, black and brown. Concealers, and I'm also bringing this one. It's a lot lighter, but if I mix it with that one, maybe it'll work for my skin tone. Brushes. For skin, I am obsessed with anything that's by Terry. Literally, this is a brightening serum. You put this all over your face before you put on your foundation, or you can mix it with your foundation. You can put it on your body. It gives your skin like this really, really pretty glow. Because we're going to DR, Island Life, I'm not wearing any heavy makeup. So I'm bringing these two products. Love these so much for a nice glowy situation on the face. A little bit of coverage, but not too much. I don't want anything really heavy. And then I got the Desi Do Me Over mist. This thing is really nice, but to be honest, I don't like the way it sprays out. Maybe I got a defective one, but the product itself is really, really good. And that's all the makeup that I'm bringing. What time is it? 11:40. Holy cow. Okay, bye. Oh my God. Jeez. Made it to the airport, 4:45, 4:40. We have an hour until boarding. Let's go.
Got a key, right? Presentation.
We are heading to dinner.
Yes, hopefully it's what's tonight? Japanese night.
Yeah, it's kind of like a Kobe steakhouse.
Much better than the Italian fiasco we had last night.
Yeah, we went to an Italian and the menu looked so good, but the food was not up to par.
First of all, they forgot the appetizers.
Yeah.
They put the appetizers after the meal.
No,
Then it was frozen.
but I have to show what the appetizers look like.
And then as for the bruschetta, they brought like a couple bread and tomatoes on the side.
Yeah. Yes, they did. That was the worst part, I think. So we're hoping that tonight is way better. It is Monday, we leave on Friday. And I'm ready for dinner. Everyone's looking at me. It's embarrassing. It's so beautiful here. The grounds are gorgeous. Hello. I'm getting over a cold. So much has happened these past few weeks. Right now I'm in the car. The boys are getting a haircut. I'm waiting for them, and then we're gonna go to the house. I'm hoping we have cabinets in. Crossing my fingers. Last week when we went to go see it, they painted the outside. Oh, Junior's done. They painted the outside of the house. They added the baseboards. They painted the inside. So I'm hoping that this week we have cabinets. And next week, we have to have cabinets this week, I'm assuming, because next week we have countertops, which is really exciting. Uh-oh. We actually just got back from DR this week, and I feel like I'm still recovering from the vacation. It's really weird. I didn't vlog much. I did a couple of reels. I posted that on my Instagram, but I didn't do a lot of vlogging. I really wanted it to be vacay mode. but I will try and insert some footage. The resort was absolutely beautiful. Like the grounds of the resort was my favorite thing. But yeah, right now I'm just really excited to get this house finished, and so we can move in and just be situated. But we jumped in the pool a couple of days ago and I still haven't washed my hair. She is a tangled mess. Can't wait to see the house. It's like the main topic of conversation almost every single day. So let's see what it looks like. What? Oh my gosh. They changed them to black.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look babe. I can't close it. I wanna see.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Look at her farmhouse sink. Oh my gosh. Junior.
Okay, so the fridge goes there. And the thing goes in.
The stove goes there.
Nice. Hold up.
Papito, look at your bathroom.
And you removed the door.
Yes.
They framed it.
Oh my gosh.
This is nice.
Look at all the cabinets.
Look at the floor.
So I think our bathroom has to be in there too. I love all these drawers. So exciting. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it.
I love the white.
I love it. And I love the contrast of the white with the dark.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go see the bathroom.
Yeah, mama eyes closed.
I can't, Joe. I can't. No. Okay.
You have to. Okay.
Man, but that means floor.
Well, honey, you close your eyes too.
Close your eyes.
They're closed.
Close your eyes. All right. You sure they're closed?
Okay, they're closed.
Yep. Okay. Close them. Close them.
Can I open up?
Oh. All right. Open them.
Oh my gosh. Look at her cabinet.
God, it's huge.
Yes. I love the floor.
The floor, look at that.
I love it. I think it looks so freaking cute.
Wow, what is this? A light? What is this?
Maybe the thermostat. Babe, and this is going to be wood floor. So imagine once it all transitions.
Yeah.
So cute. I'm obsessed.
Let me see I'm stoked, man.
Oh my God.
Honey, once you see the counter,
It just looks so good now that the kitchen's in.
yeah, it does. Like, you can actually.
You can envision. I love it. I wish the cabinets went all the way to the top though. Do you want to get the tape measure from the car? I don't know. The fridge space looks small to me.
Oh, this one you want to go, right?
Yeah, but we can switch that out
What the
later. Maybe they'll switch them out. No, they're not big enough. It's all right.
You gotta go.
Listen, I'm happy.